Hello guys, welcome to Commimatic, and in this video I will be covering the origins of Cal Kent, the Superman of the 853rd century. Now the DC 1 million line of comics is a set of stories and crossovers based on the far future, the 853rd century. By this time, humans have grown into a hyper-civilization. We have solved most of our problems. Every being is genetically perfect. They have golden genes. And humans don't just live on Earth. They have spread out and made the entire solar system their home. They have terraformed all the planets, and they have even created artificial stars. But even in this extremely advanced civilization, crime still exists, and there are planetary threats, even galactic threats. So there are, of course, defense forces and attack teams who can handle these problems. Now, these teams have members like androids, genetically designed super beings, clones of extremely powerful metahumans, you name it. But the greatest team of them all is the Justice Legion Alpha. Now, this team has members like Wonder Woman, Starman, The Flash, and every one of these guys are superior to their present counterparts, and they are protectors of entire planets. But the greatest among them is the protector of Earth, Cal Kent, the Superman of the future. Now, Clark Kent, who is the original Superman, or who is also our present Superman, he actually outlived everyone he knew. His love, his friends, his teammates, all of them died right in front of him. Centuries passed, and soon he saw that he did not recognize the world he was living in. He was overcome with loneliness and sadness. So after decades of fighting and protecting us and being our constant savior, he made his son our defender, and then he left Earth on a self-imposed exile. He went to the far reaches of time and space, never to be heard of again. But starting from his son, who was called the Superman Secondus, there was always a Superman or a Supergirl. Every century, every generation had a member of the House of El as their protectors, and all of them were great heroes who sacrificed their lives protecting the people. But with time, their genetics began to change. You see, different generation of the Supermen had offsprings with different species. As a matter of fact, one of the Supermen once married a fifth-dimensional imp. So their powers began to alter and grow in miraculous ways. In the 853rd century, Cal Kent was the descendant of our Superman, who at that time was called Superman Prime. Cal Kent was just as heroic as all of his ancestors. However, it has been stated that no other member of the Superman dynasty was as powerful as Cal Kent, except Superman Prime. Now, during the 700th century, Clark Kent, that is our Superman, who is now known as Superman Prime, he actually came back. So it turns out that he is not dead or lost. But after his exile, he gained powers and knowledge from the far reaches of existence. And well, he was not human anymore. He found out his current descendant, Cal Kent, and then blessed him with powers no other metahuman in history ever had. You see, by this time, Superman Prime had already become a cosmic being, so he could bestow powers greater than our imagination. He gave these powers to Cal Kent on one condition, that he would always remain a protector of the Earth. And then Superman Prime went to live in his fortress of solitude inside the sun. Now let's come to his powers and abilities. Cal Kent has all the powers of a Kryptonian, but to a far greater degree. He has super strength, which is said to be greater than the gravitational pull of a collapsing star. Now, what is the strongest feat you can think of? Forget lifting a ship, forget moving the moon, and forget bench pressing the earth for 5 days. Cal Kent punched the time barrier in the present time, and then he literally pushed himself through time to the 853rd century. Now, this feat is already considered impossible, but hey, he did it anyway. That is how powerful this guy is. He is also a genius who can mentally calculate millions of possible outcomes of a situation. He is faster than a speeding tachyon, and he is able to jump from one planet to another. He even has many variations of the classic powers like vortex breath, arctic breath, X-ray vision, heat vision, flight, and he is pretty much indestructible. Now, because of the changes in the Superman bloodline, he can use mental powers like telepathy and ESP like a champion. In fact, he is so powerful with his ESP that he got out of an infinite time loop. He can also manipulate the electromagnetic spectrum, so he can not just absorb solar radiation, but he can also use it in different ways. Cal Kent also has something called a force vision. His senses are extremely powerful, and he has 10 additional senses, so he cannot be caught off guard in any way. In fact, his senses are so acute that, he can feel disturbances in time. He can even feel if something is happening in other different dimensions. Also, he can actually go in and out of the fifth dimension as he likes. He has absolutely no weakness from Red Sun or Kryptonite, which is pretty much obsolete in the 853rd century. But there is one weakness though. His powers may be greater than any other metahuman in history, but it is only because Superman Prime allows it. So if he gets too far from his Earth's sun where Superman Prime stays, he slowly starts to lose his powers. But think of this. Cal Kent actually had to travel to our time, which is hundreds of centuries far, to actually start losing his powers. So even his weakness is not a very big problem. All in all, he is easily one of the most powerful Superman and definitely one of the most overpowered comic book characters of all time. Well, that's it for this video. Write down below what you thought of Cal Kent. Hit like, share and subscribe to the channel to keep getting more content. Thanks for watching.